Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to run a disk defragmenting utility in Windows 10. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to actually get it up and running. Just do a quick tutorial just showing the process of running the utility. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So start by opening up the start menu, type in defragment. Best match to go back with defragment and optimize drives. Go ahead and left click on that. So whatever drive Windows is installed on, so we'll have a little Windows icon above the hard drive. You want to go ahead and select the optimize button. This will take a few moments to run, so depending on your hard drive size, could take anywhere from a few minutes to perhaps a couple hours. So just be patient, and we're going to go ahead and let it run right here. Okay, now that's done. You just can close out of here. And that was pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.